Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss 8 May 2025 current affairs MCQ questions, and this video will be very helpful for your examination. So watch the video till end and subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you see notification of every video. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Question number 1. World Athletics Day 2025 was observed globally on. So correct answer is option C, 7th May 2025. Question number 2. Bapuji Vanam, inaugurated as the world's first energy transmission garden, is located at. So correct answer is option B, Kana Shantivanam, Hyderabad, Telangana. Question number 3. Creator Land, announced as India's first transmedia entertainment city, will come up in. Correct answer is option B, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 4. Which city has become the second Indian member of the WHO Global Network of Age-Friendly Cities and Communities after Kochi? The correct answer is option B, Kozhikode, Kerala. Question number 5. In the Sudirman Cup 2025 badminton final at Xiamen, which nation defeated South Korea to lift a record extending 14th title? Correct answer is option B, China. Question number 6. The Undying Light, a personal history of independent India, is written by. Correct answer is option B, Gopal Krishna Gandhi. Question number 7. The 72nd Miss World pageant 31st May 2025 will be hosted at the High-Tech Exhibition Center in. Correct answer is option C, Hyderabad, Telangana. Question number 8. The Lakundi group of monuments recently proposed for UNESCO's tentative list is situated in which Indian city? So correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Question number 9. Film Tourism Policy 2025 unveiled at BASE 2025 to position the state as a premier filming hub belongs to. Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 10. In May 2025, Chhota Bheem teamed up with which railway zone to promote railway safety for children? Correct answer is option B, Western Railway. Question number 11. Ganeshwar Kumar Singh was appointed in May 2025 as the new Director General and CEO of. Correct answer is option B, IICA, Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs. Thanks for watching.